The chuck screw is used to secure the chuck to your drill. It has a reverse thread, so it won't unscrew while you're drilling. The screw can eventually vibrate out, the head can break off, or the head can be stripped out while removing the screw. Replacing the chuck screw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the chuck retaining screw from the chuck. Remember that it's a reverse thread. Now I can install the new retaining screw. I'll place it inside the chuck and thread it into place. And again, remember that it is a reverse thread. And that's how easy it is to replace the chuck screw on your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.